A progress bar can be used to track the amount of progress that has been made during a process. Bootstrap provides many different types of progress bar styles. Keep in mind that the functionality of the progress bar is done separately with languages like JavaScript. In this example, we can see what a basic progress bar looks like. The HTML code on the left shows how it was created. We start with a div element and add the class attribute set to progress. We then create another nested div and attach the class progress bar. The role needs to be set to progress bar as well. The style equals 50% attribute refers to how much progress the bar should show by default. It's currently set to 50%, so the bar shows half progress. We can see that the dark blue ends here, and the full width of the bar extends to here. We can increase or decrease this value anywhere between 0 to 100%. So if we were to increase it to 80% and save the file, we can see that it extends the progress. We can add labels to a progress bar by typing the desired text into the div element here. So if we wanted to indicate to the user 80%, we just type it there, and if you refresh the page, you'll see it displayed right there. We can also apply the contextual classes we've worked with to a progress bar by adding the following class. And for this example, I'll use the success contextual style. Save it, and we can see it changes to green. So remember, the other ones can be used as well, like warning, danger, and so on. To add stripes to the progress bar, you can insert the following class name: progress-bar-striped. And then you can see the stripes appear inside the progress bar. We can also animate a striped progress bar by adding the active class. Keep in mind that this will only work on a striped progress bar.